This is a working model or TLM showing 4 seasons. Winter season, see, snow is falling. This is spring season. In spring season we can see flowers are blooming, so beautiful it is looking. Now let's see rainy season. In rainy season we can see thunder, clouds, and it is raining, lakes and ponds are getting filled. It is summer season. It is very hot. You can see the sun and people are sitting near the beach. Now let us switch on the lights. Oh, this is looking beautiful now. Thank you.